Hello students, today we will discuss another type of ELISA technique of ELISA that is known as double antibody sandwich ELISA. The double antibody sandwich ELISA is the most widely used immunochemical techniques for both qualitative and quantitative analysis of different type of or various type of molecules like antigens, hormones, drugs and steroids etc. ठीक है. DAS ELISA is also used extensively in horticulture and agriculture for identification of plant virus such as potato leaf roll virus PLRV. Okay, the DS ELISA is different to TS ELISA that unlike TAS, primary antibody is tagged with reported enzyme. Unlike that, we have already discussed that. Okay, and the antigen is sandwiched between two antibodies. Okay, where in the test there will be used three type of antibodies, but here only two antibodies is used. One is tagged with an reporter enzyme, and another one which is for trapping the antigen. Okay, the process is completed in following steps which will be discussed through the diagram. Okay, here is the diagram. First we go through this process. Okay, the well is coated with known quantity of antibodies specific to that antigen. The antigen is called capture antibody. Okay, the sample content we have already discussed in the triple antibody sandwich ELISA. Okay, the sample containing the antigen is added to the well, incubated, and then another specific antibody tagged with marker enzyme is added, incubated, and then washed. The antigen creates a bridge between the two antibodies, and the substrate is added, which is converted by the marker enzyme into a colored compound. For quantitative estimation, OD is taken and value is put on standard graph, which is prepared by the for variable but known weight of the sample antigen. These we have already discussed in the triple antigen ELISA. Here we will understand this through the diagram. Here, suppose this is the base of the microtiter well of the ELISA. Here this known quantity of antibody is present. It is added or coating the surface. Okay, and in the next step, and then we will use the blocker as well. Okay, and these are the blockers we have already discussed that these are the blockers. Okay, these are the blockers. These are the blockers of the surface, maybe bovine serum albumin or anything else, or casein, sorry. Okay, these are the blockers. We have already discussed what is the role of the blocker, and then a known a sample containing the antigen is added to the well. These are the antigen. These are the antigen. This is the, and these are the antibody which track the antigen, coating the floor of the well. Okay, bottom of the well, coating the bottom of the well. Here in the blocker is present. We have not included here. It is not visible here, or which is not shown here, which is not shown, but the blocker is present over here like this. Okay, and then when the, because this antibody is present, when the antigen will is added, these antigen will bind to the antibody. Okay, and here it is shown that antibody has bound to the antibodies. In the next step, uh, antibody specific to this antigen but tagged with a reporter enzyme is added to the well, and this antibody will bound to the antigen, and after washing the substrate is added. When the substrate is added, this substrate will be converted by this enzyme tagged with the specific antibody into a colored compound, and a color will be developed. Development of color will indicate the presence of antigen, and the intensity or magnitude of the developed color will be directly proportional to the amount of antigen present in the sample, okay, which can be quantified by using a standard graph. We have already discussed that graph in the triple antibody sandwich ELISA. Okay, so by this method we can analyze or the antigen both qualitatively. We can analyze the presence of a particular type of antigen in a sample of blood or anything, body fluid. Okay, so this is the method of identifying the presence of antigen in a sample, and also how much antigen is present in the sample. We can also quantify that also as well. Okay, so this is the process of double antibody sandwich ELISA. We can see that here this antigen is sandwiched between the two antibodies. One is the present on the surface, and another which is tagged with a reporter enzyme. Okay, so this is the process. Hope you will have understand that lecture. Thank you very much.